Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian has upgraded the purge command to offer the super purge feature, which includes error corrections, phantom object removal, and the elimination of unused scale lists. As you work in CAD, a lot of data accumulates. Unorganized data can increase file sizes, or even cause errors during operations. The advantage of using the super purge function is that it allows you to remove unnecessary data all at once. Let's try the super purge on the drawing displayed on the screen. Click on Utility in the drop-down menu, and the menu expands, showing super purge as the first item. Click on the super purge option. Super purge starts, and you can check its progress in the command window. The progress displayed in the command window may vary depending on the state of the drawing. A message in the command window appears: will you delete unused scale list? Press Enter to remove the unused scale list. The unused scale list is removed, and the command ends. We've used CADian's super purge function to eliminate unnecessary data from the drawing. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.